Hello there. Take a look at this. This is a new feature launched by Google Business Profiles, where users will be able to see a chat button option. It could be either WhatsApp or text messaging. In my testing, I was not able to see this chat button option on desktop version of Google Search or on Google Maps app on mobile devices. Only when I searched this through Google Chrome on mobile devices, I was able to see this. And even in that search results, only when a certain map snippet is shown as an exclusive result, you'll be able to see this chat button. Regardless, let me show you how you can add WhatsApp or text messaging button onto your Google Business Profile listing. For that, first you'll have to go to either the listing or directly to your Google Business Profile Manager, where you'll have to find the listing that you have to edit, and you can click on the edit button here, and you'll be able to see business details where you can add the chat button. Or you can go to your Google Business Profile listing and click on edit profile, where you will see the same options. Now you can either click on contact button or you can scroll a little bit down and you'll be able to see the chat option here. Click on the pen icon and you can select either text message option or WhatsApp option. In the URL column, you can type wa.me/ the country code 914 India, or you can add your country code according to the country that the phone number is operating in, and proceed to enter the 10-digit phone number, something like that. Once you have entered the URL, click on the save button. It might take a couple of hours, or maybe it will be updated instantly. Regardless, you'll start seeing the WhatsApp chat button option like this in search results. Don't worry if you're not seeing this option in your Google Business Profile. It will be slowly rolled out. It will be available for everyone in the coming weeks or months. Thank you.